Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix can't find secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So if you have installed and enabled the secure folder and now you are unable to find this secure folder in app screen or home screen, then open settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings. Now here click on secure folder and then here you will see a add secure folder to app screen button. So turn on this button, and after turning on this button the secure folder will be added to your app screen. So here you can see the secure folder is now available on app screen. So that's how you can fix the can't find secure folder issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.